If you thought the world of action cameras had plateaued, brace yourself, because the next move from DJI looks set to tear a massive hole in everything we thought we knew about portable, rugged filmmaking. The whispered about DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't shaping up to be a mere annual facelift. If these leaks hold even a fraction of their truth, this is a device poised to finally wrest a crown from GoPro and fundamentally redefine what an action camera is capable of. Before we dive into the game-changing specs, take a moment to hit that like button and let me know in the comments. What's the one feature you've always desperately wanted in an action camera? Picture the scene. You're halfway up a snow-capped mountain. The sun is blazing down, throwing back reflections that would typically cause your camera to gasp and give up, producing a mess of overexposed sky and crushed shadows. Instead, your camera handles it all with smooth, cinematic grace. No blown-out highlights, no jittery exposure shifts, just perfectly balanced light. This is a revolution a new variable aperture lens could bring, ranging from $F/$2.0 to $F/$4.0. This isn't just a technical tweak. It's a creative unlock, offering real depth and exposure control unheard of in this category. Most action cameras lock you into a single aperture, forcing you to constantly battle the light with awkward ND filters and tricky shutter speeds. DJI is effectively saying, no more. You want the freedom to treat your action cam like a serious cinema tool? You got it. Stop down for that gorgeous, smooth daylight motion blur, or open wide for night rides and dimly lit street scenes, ensuring your footage never crumbles under the tyranny of bad light again. Now, imagine coupling that optical mastery with a massive sensor upgrade, one that's nearly 40% larger than previous iterations, and, crucially, co-developed with Sony. We're talking about a stacked $1/$1.1 inch sensor, engineered to pull in more detail, a wider dynamic range, and richer motion data. Those delicate water droplets in a splash, the subtle shadow detail on a climber's face, the intricate glow of neon signs at midnight, all of it rendered with crystal clarity instead of being swallowed by noise or crushed into black. This is the central promise of this leak, and if it proves true, it's a colossal leap toward bridging the performance gap between tiny action cameras and dedicated mirrorless systems. Professional creators have been practically begging for a camera that's small, indestructible, and waterproof, yet still shoots footage that actually holds up on a high-end, professional editing timeline. And that leads us to the rumor that truly makes jaws drop: 8K HDR video with Apple ProRes support. Yes, you heard that right. ProRes on an action camera. Before you dismiss 8K as overkill, remember the hidden magic. Even if you never deliver a single 8K file, capturing at that resolution allows you to crop, reframe, and stabilize your footage later, still exporting a pristine 4K master. You can effectively shoot a static wide shot and later recompose it into multiple close-ups, making it feel like you had 3 cameras rolling. For solo content creators, this is monumental. And ProRes? That's not a marketing gimmick. It's a workflow revolution. Editors know the struggle of heavily compressed $H.265 files, how quickly the colors shred under grating pressure. ProRes keeps your image data flexible, clean, and ready for advanced color and contrast work without falling apart. Imagine shooting an entire surf film or a travel documentary and dropping the action cam clips straight into a professional timeline next to your main camera footage, without the dreaded, that's clearly from the tiny camera color shift. Everything matches. Speaking of fluid motion, the whispered 4K 120 frames per second mode hits that perfect cinematic sweet spot, slow enough to truly savor the action, yet crisp enough to show every speck of dust, drop of water, and splash with stunning detail. Whether the downhill mountain biker hitting a jump or your dog bounding through the waves, this feature is set to make every single frame feel epic and impactful. But raw resolution is useless without endurance, and this is where DJI is seemingly going for a new record. A rumored 1,950 mAh battery, promising up to 4 hours of runtime. Sounds almost miraculous. While you won't get that pushing 8K ProRes continuously, the mere idea of being able to record multi-hour time-lapse or lengthy 4K sessions without constantly watching your battery level is a new level of creative freedom most of us have never experienced. Then, consider the small design details that transform a product. Built-in 64 gigabytes of storage, so you never miss a shot, because you forgot your SD card. Waterproofing down to 20 meters straight out of the box. No clunky housing required. That means fewer accessories, fewer failure points, and greater peace of mind when you're actually living the adventure. New Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 promise lightning-fast transfers, and, most interestingly, the rumored smartwatch connection that could completely change how action content is filmed. Imagine hitting record from your wrist while snowboarding, changing modes mid-climb, or having real-time data like heart rate and elevation embedded directly into your footage. For fitness creators and data-driven storytellers, this is a gold mine. It makes filming an organic extension of your movement, not an annoying distraction. DJI clearly understand that the best camera is the one you don't even have to think about using. Of course, every miraculous spec sheet hides potential pitfalls. The first massive question is heat management. 8K and ProRes are incredibly demanding workloads, and while DJI has a solid record with thermals in their drones, we'll have to see exactly how long the Osmo Action 6 can roll before clip limits, frame drops, or overheating warnings kick in. Then there's storage speed. ProRes files will devour space, meaning built-in storage is only an emergency backup. Serious users will need high-speed V90 cards or better. The mechanical complexity of a variable aperture is also a concern. It's a moving system that has to survive dust, vibration, salt, and freezing temperatures. Real-world durability testing will tell the true story of its long-term resilience. We also need to see if the larger sensor compromises the classic wide field of view that action cameras are famous for. And finally, stabilization. Rocksteady 3.0 was good, but the next iteration must handle 8K ProRes without jitters, wobble, or warping on fast pans. Smoothness is more critical than sharpness in the genre. Ultimately, who is this camera for? If you're a filmmaker, editor, or serious content creator, the Osmo Action 6 could become your secret weapon. ProRes footage from a camera small enough to mount on anything is professional storytelling power in your pocket. For athletes and bloggers, the variable aperture means you can finally control motion blur without fumbling with ND filters. Fitness creators will celebrate the smartwatch data link, turning a simple clip into a dynamic, data-rich story. Travel vloggers will adore the deep waterproofing, extended battery life, and fast recharging. Even casual users win, as the trickle-down benefits mean sharper 4K, cleaner colors, and smoother stabilization. The core of this camera isn't about the raw numbers. It's about trust. Trust that when you hit record, you'll get footage worthy of your story. Why do people genuinely care so much about a new action camera? It's not merely about recording a trip. It's about capturing the proof of experience, a memory that feels as visceral as the original moment. Cameras like this become companions, witnesses to your best days. DJI is aiming for a perfect balance between rugged durability and professional aesthetics, between convenience and quality. The storytelling potential here is massive. Variable aperture allows for creative depth and cinematic control. The new sensor translates into better mood and richer tones. ProRes lets editors stop fixing footage and start enhancing it, maintaining a consistent visual identity across all their gear. All these pieces build something bigger than a spec sheet. They build confidence. And that's what separates a good camera from a legendary one. The credibility of these leaks is strong. And DJI's launch date is rumored for November 13th. If these features are even remotely accurate, the industry conversation is about to shift dramatically. This isn't just about competing with GoPro. It's about creating a new gold standard. The real question isn't whether the Osmo Action 6 will hurt GoPro. It's how far DJI can push before they become the new default choice. For years, GoPro was the action camera. DJI is trying to change that definition entirely. Imagine the future. A DJI drone, a DJI gimbal, and a DJI action camera, all syncing perfectly, color-matched, and running on the same app ecosystem. That's how a brand wins the ecosystem war. If they execute this correctly, we'll look back on the Osmo Action 6 as the pivot point where DJI became not just a drone company, but the ultimate storytelling company. For now, the buzz is all about proof. We want to see the real-world tests, how it handles the heat of 8K, the quality of low light at $F/$2, and whether the stabilization holds up. Specs are promises, but footage is truth, and that's what we're all waiting for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,